Namaste, I'm Sam, and in this video we're going to be doing alternate nostril breathing, which is a pranayama breathwork technique used to balance our whole body and bring purification and clarity to our mind, body, and spirit. So wherever you are, finding a comfortable seated position, you can either be sitting cross-legged, you can use a block, or you can use a bolster to prop your bum up, keeping the hips off the ground a bit. I do like this posture personally for when I'm doing pranayama, when I'm doing breath work. So getting settled in, allowing the spine to sit up nice and tall, and just taking a couple inhales and exhales just as they come naturally into your body. Good. And so now finding a mudra on each hand, I'm going to be doing it opposite to you so that way you're mirroring me. But typically on the right hand, you're going to go ahead and come into Vishnu Mudra, bringing the index and the middle finger in towards the palm, keeping the thumb and the ring and the pinky free, and connecting the ring and the pinky like this. So on your right hand, you'll have Vishnu Mudra, and this is specifically designed to create stress relief and getting rid of anxiety within the body. On the opposite hand, on your left hand, you're going to come into Gyan Mudra, which is made for concentration, focus, and bringing intuition back into our being. And that's just touching the thumb to the pointer finger. You can keep the other three fingers free, or you can allow them to stay together as one. So on the right hand, Vishnu Mudra. On the left hand, Gyan Mudra. Gyan Mudra is going to stay with the back of the hand to the knee for the entirety of this breathing exercise. When you're ready, we're going to go ahead and begin by bringing the thumb onto the outside of the right nostril and exhaling out through the left nostril. Good. Inhale through the left nostril and exhale through the left nostril. 2 more times. One more. And now with the ring finger, you're going to close off that left nostril and breathe through the right nostril. Inhale. Exhale, right nostril. Inhale, right nostril. Exhale, right nostril. Last one. And exhale. And closing the right nostril off with the thumb. Inhale through the left nostril. Close it off with the ring finger. Exhale through the right nostril. Good. Rinse and repeat. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Last round. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. And now we'll inhale through the right. Close off the right. Exhale through the left. Close it off. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. Last time. Inhale through the right. And exhale through the left. Letting the Vishnu Mudra come back down onto your knee. Taking an inhale through both nostrils. And exhale, release. And just already noticing this balance starting to come back into your physical body, balancing out both sides of our system. Finishing with another 2 rounds of something very similar. We're going to inhale through the left, exhale through the right, inhale through the right, exhale through the left. Taking a cleansing inhale together. And an exhale. Bringing your thumb up to the outside of that right nostril. Inhale through the left. Close it off, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Close it off, exhale through the left. Inhale left. Close it off, exhale right. Inhale right. Close it off, exhale left. Last round. Inhale left. Close it off, exhale right. Inhale right. Close it off, exhale left. Good. Round complete. And now we will be doing some holds. So this is the more advanced variation into the alternate nostril breathing. Everything here is totally safe for beginners. Of course, if you notice any lightheadedness, just come out of it and come back to center. But this is a great breathing technique for beginners, intermediate, all the way up to advanced practitioners. It really doesn't matter your skill level. Anyone is able to do this, and it is just such a powerful breathwork practice. I hope you already are feeling it. So now we'll be doing inhale through the left, hold, exhale through the right, hold, inhale through the right, hold, exhale through the left, hold. So we're holding at the top of the inhale and at the bottom of the exhale. So Gyan Mudra with the left hand, Vishnu Mudra with the right. Also, something I wanted to bring up is if you don't really like this position with the Vishnu when your hands are up towards your face, if you'd like to place the 2 peace fingers on the third eye as well and alternate the thumb and the ring finger, that is an option as well, just to continue to draw the focus into your spiritual being, into your third eye. But whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever works best for you is what's good for you. So bringing the thumb onto the outside of the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Close off both nostrils with the thumb and the ring finger and hold. And exhale through the right nostril, release, exhale. Hold at the bottom. Inhale through the right nostril. Plug it off, hold. Exhale through the left nostril. Plug it off, hold at the bottom. Inhale left nostril. Hold at the top. Exhale right nostril. Hold at the bottom. Inhale right nostril. Hold at the top. Exhale left nostril. Hold at the bottom, sitting up tall. Inhale left nostril. Hold at the top. Exhale right nostril. Plug it off, hold at the bottom. Last one. Inhale through the right. Hold. Exhale through the left. And release. Taking one more final round of an inhale and exhale together. Letting everything out on the exhale. Inhale to fill up. starting from the base of the core all the way up through the chest, belly, heart, chest, sitting up tall, holding at the top. And exhale, release. Nose or mouth. Bringing our thumb knuckles up to our third eye, forehead center. Together, we inhale our hearts and faces up towards the sky. And in gratitude and honor of everything that is, we bow our heads and we say, Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this pranayama breathwork technique, alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana. I hope you feel a lot more balanced and purified within your physical, mental, and emotional space. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out some of the other classes on my channel. I would love to see and practice with you. But until then, have an amazing day or evening, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.